Hi everyone, Alexis here with the Park Group. We are back with another walkthrough Wednesday, and today I am with Kerry Marie with Providence
Hi
Homes. And
guys.
she's going to be walking us through a beautiful quick move-in home that they have available. So tell us where we're at.
We are in Seabrook Village in phase 1, very close to the pool.
Wonderful. This is a beautiful exterior.
It really is.
We were talking, kind of looks like a mini little White House. It's so cute.
So this is our salt floor plan. It runs 2838 square feet.
Wow.
It does have 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bath, a flex space, and a loft. Let's go
Okay.
take a peek.
Awesome. Love the patio area. Wow.
A nice vaulted ceiling whenever you walk in.
Stunning.
About 20 feet, maybe a little bit over 20 feet high.
Wow. I love all the windows.
I know the natural lighting in here is amazing. And this is, you could use this as a home office, a dining room, a kids' playroom, a home gym, really multifunctional.
Yeah, it's beautiful. Okay, I want to point out a couple things as soon as you walk in. The color of this wall, I'm obsessed with.
It is gorgeous.
This room, like you said, is such a great flex room, and it's large. It's
really
very
is.
large. And I'm already seeing very high doors, so I know that's probably going to be consistent in the house. And I also love the floors. They pull in so well with the walls.
Yep.
Beautiful. All right.
And now as we're walking towards the kitchen, we do have a powder bath here right off the hallway.
Perfect.
So when you're entertaining, guests can just pop right in there.
Super convenient.
And now to the amazing kitchen space.
Oh, wow.
42-inch stacked cabinets, lots of storage space.
Gosh, I love it. I'm glad you guys kept the white because I think it really makes the walls and everything else pop. Love the tile backsplash. That's stunning.
It is gorgeous. And you do have the stainless steel apron bib sink there. Everything's soft close, drawers and cabinets. And then you have the 5-burner gas range there.
So nice. I love that you have a little coffee nook, and I love that these are drawers and not cabinets. I love that so much. So that's great. Very large island. It's always hard to tell, but you could probably sit like at 5 or 6, I'd say.
And then we have our wooden shelf pantry there. Love that pantry.
That is so nice. That's something I always want to do in my house, but I'm scared to do it. I'm so glad this house comes with it. That's beautiful.
It is a really great upgrade.
All right.
And then we've got the family room and your cafe area.
Perfect. This is like a home for an entertainer. It's all in one, so family could be here, your friends could be here, you could be cooking, they could be watching TV all together.
Got a great drop zone here.
Perfect.
And then the laundry room, I'm obsessed with.
Wow.
Lots of storage.
Yeah.
And then something that it's not a huge upgrade, but it's something that you don't realize that you need until you have it. And we have the drying bar that's over the sink here.
Nice.
And it's just one of those little things that you don't really think about, but you love it when you have it.
Oh my gosh, that might be my first time seeing that actually, or maybe in a while.
They're
That's
kind of
great.
hidden, so they're not very noticeable, but
that's great. It's a huge laundry room. There's so much storage in this house. That's something that you're going to continue to see through this video.
And then we've got the outdoor space here. We did add the stubs for if you wanted to add your summer kitchen or whatever you want. A really nice private space back here.
Beautiful. Love the pavers. And again, there's so much natural light in this house, like so many windows. Pretty much every room and area we've been in, I feel like there has been windows. Got it.
And now we're gonna go take a peek in the owner's suite where you've got the LVP running throughout, even in the closets.
Beautiful. Now this is the only bedroom on this floor, right?
It is,
okay,
absolutely.
That's super nice. I love that they're separated. It feels almost like truly like an owner's retreat. You have the bedroom here, bathroom there. It's just huge. And again, all these lights bringing in all of that warmth and the light and making it just feel so light and airy.
And I forgot to add that it is 10-foot ceilings throughout the entire first floor of the home.
Awesome.
Lots of storage in this bathroom.
Mm-hmm. I'm obsessed with this bathroom.
I am too.
The floors are stunning. I definitely want to point that out. And I also want to just say how large that vanity is. There's just so much space to put things on and do things. And again, the drawers, I love drawers opposed to cabinets. That's just a personal thing, but that's great. Beautiful floor to ceiling tile.
I know, I love this tile. It's so clean and classic.
Again, windows. You've got another closet over here. Again, the consistency with so many closets. Like I said, we're going to pass another one too on our way out from this restroom. So, and then we've got the powder bath. Yep, another closet there.
And then another one straight ahead.
Storage is not lacking here in this home.
It is not. Let me just open that up for you, Carly.
Perfect.
And then there's a little pocket door that goes into that front flex room.
That's perfect. You could literally do a big old circle and you come right back to the front.
Yep. And now let's go check out upstairs. So upstairs, we've got 3 full bedrooms with 3 amazing walk-in closets in each of them. We've got a loft, and one of the bedrooms is an ensuite with a full bath.
Ooh, okay, awesome.
And again, another storage closet up here, which is amazing.
Yes.
Lots of natural light here in the loft area. And now the second floor, we do have 9-foot ceilings here.
Yeah. Gosh, it is. Again, all of these windows are absolutely beautiful. You have a beautiful view of this beautiful neighborhood. Carling's about to look over and show you guys where we were when we first walked in, so you can kind of get an idea, but truly just such a great home. And I love this loft space. It's very versatile. And as Kerry had mentioned earlier, we were so close to Seabrook Park, and you still have access to all of the incredible amenities as a resident. So that includes our award-winning water parks, all of the satellite pools, all of the events that Nocatee puts on. You have access to all of that if you choose to move into this beautiful home.
Yeah, the pool is literally walking distance.
That's perfect. And of course, golf cart friendly to all the amenities. And the extended Greenway path is getting ready to open hopefully soon. So you'll be close to that.
And the school that's coming fall of 26, I believe.
Now, something I was talking about before we started was how large these rooms are. So each of these bedrooms are so big. And something else that we were talking about is none of the walls are connected. So they're all separate.
Yep.
So you don't hear your sister, brother, family, friend next to you.
And now this last bedroom here is the one with the ensuite.
That's nice.
And a huge closet once again.
Yeah, the large closets are really surprising and a great surprise for these second bedrooms.
And just pop into this storage closet here. Lots of storage space.
All right. Now, we didn't want to end here. So, Kerry, tell us where we're going next.
We are going to go to the driveway. So this is a huge highlight on this home. It's a 26-foot driveway, which is not the norm for our alley load homes. So we'll go take a peek at that. Come on. And here we are again. We are at the back of the home now in the 26-foot driveway.
Wow.
This is a 3-car garage.
This is so nice and very rare, right? For a rear loading home. This is stunning.
No more playing musical cars.
Very true. You have ample amount of parking space here, and I love this little street. It is so quaint and private. It's perfect.
And also, I did want to mention, this is Energy Star certified home and Indoor Air Plus. And if you need any more information or have questions about this home, you're more than welcome to reach out to me at 904-403-6847. See you next time.
Bye.